Namaste everyone, here I am going to find curved surface area, total surface area and volume of a right circular cylinder. Here P, Q, R, S is a rectangular plane sheet. We have to shift this P to this point. Then we have to round this rectangular sheet like this. Then this P will be shifted here, and when we round this, then Q will come again to this point here, Q. In this way, P and Q will coincide. Similarly, S will be shifted to this point, and when we round, then R will come again here, and it will be coincide here. In this way, we get a cylinder. From this rectangular sheet, we get a cylinder. Suppose this is L of this rectangular sheet, and this is its height. It is vertical on this plane. This is its height. Now this L is changed here, circular base. So this L is equal to here circular base, that is its circumference. This length is changed into circumference of this circular base. So as we know, circumference of a circle is 2 pi r. So L is 2 pi r here. Similarly here, this is also circle. Same, SR is here. As we know, PQ is equal to SR. Here, this will also be 2 pi r. This is its radius. And this is its curved edge, that is circumference of this circular base. This is also curved edge, that is circumference of this circle. Here L is 2 pi r and height, this is h. This will remain same as it is, h. Now, this rectangular sheet gives us here curved surface that will be calculated as we know its area will be L into h, and L here L is 2 pi r. It will be 2 pi r into h. In this way, curved surface area of this cylinder is 2 pi r, that is length, into its height, 2 pi r h. In this way, curved surface area of cylinder, it is L, that is 2 pi r into its height, that is h, 2 pi r h. Total surface area of cylinder is equal to curved surface area, this part, plus base area. As we know, base is circle and its area is pi r square. Top is also circle and its area will be pi r square. In this way, there are two circles, base and top. Total surface area of cylinder is equal to curved surface area plus base area plus top area, that is 2 pi r h plus pi r square. Its area is pi r square, and its area is also pi r square plus pi r square. It will be 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r square. It is equal to 2 pi r into r square, that is r plus h. In this way, total surface area of cylinder is equal to 2 pi r into r plus h. Now we have to calculate its volume. As we know, volume is base area into height. Volume of cylinder is equal to base area into height. Base area, that is, base is circle, its area is pi r square, height is h, that is again pi r square h. In this way, volume of cylinder is equal to pi r square h. It has 3 faces, 2 circular face and 1 curved surface. It has 2 edges, both are curved. This one is curved edge, this one is also curved edge, and it has no vertex. That's all. Thank you very much for watching.